3학년 6반 19번 정현우입니다. Hello teachers, I will presentation with the topic Education Caution of Concept. Have you ever heard the word holistic education? Holistic education means to create a great person with body, ethics, and awareness part. To say more specific, doing holistic education is like to fill in blank paper, as John Locke said in his book, An Essay Concerning Human Understanding. As we need some tools like ballpoint pen, markers, or crayons to fill in blank paper, we also need some tools to fill in our own slates. Thus, school exists. School can help students by giving some tools which are able to fill in students' own blank slate. But the problem is, most students miss the point and they memorize just information, and it is incorrect. In the survey that I did, most students said they memorized this information when they study. As we can't say scramble is a beautiful work, a student who has a slate with dense and complicated information can be said a great person. Our textbook also support holistic education. 6.1 Problems of focusing on preparing students for standard tests. 11 Gateway, the innate disposition of humans to imitate others. 74 The theory of listened action. 81 and 2 Beyond naive realism. 18.5 and 6 The fluidity of human behavior socially constructed. 21 and 1 The relative nature of moral judgment. Our textbook not only emphasizes holistic education, but also at the opinion each of people contain information differently, even if it is in the same situation. To support our textbook opinion, I decided to do experiment. I teach science, electronic and magnetic to 2 middle school graders in my church. Even though I teach the same amount of information and give same time to review, their understanding level were very different, as you can see. In short, memorizing just information is not a desirable action, but students do the same. Plus, they miss the point that they will have a different amount of information, even though it is the same situation. And it can't create a great person with body, ethics, and awareness part. So I suggest solution by collaborating holistic education and locus education. That is, locus education that as we are made by the laws, we can fill in our blank slates whatever the laws love. 2. Holistic education that education must create a great person in the body, ethics, and awareness part. First, the body part chain. As we need a healthy body to continue collective education, we should exercise in spare time like break time, dinner, or lunch time. Second, ethics part though. I suggest praying every morning at schools. By doing that, we can have great ethics. In the thesis titled The Reflection on the Relationship Between Personality and Prayers can make great ethics, and they also can affect not only their own life and also can affect society. Lastly, awareness part G. It is important to be aware of how I accept information most properly and both to fill in our blank slates with other information that the Lord will satisfy. I hope this suggestion will help students. Thank you for listening to my presentation.